Hello students, I'm going to show you a quick way to make another screen video. This one is with Loom. You can look up here, I'm at loom.com. You can create a free account and you can do it two ways. You can do it through your browser. I'm just using Google Chrome right now. So you can do it through Google Chrome or you can download it. I'll do it through Google Chrome. So I've logged in, you can see I've already logged in, and then I'm just going to click new video. And I guess I need to do that. All right, and here we go. And you can see my face has appeared in the bottom left. I can make my face bigger or smaller, depending on how important I think that is. And then I just go over here and I hit start recording, and it starts to record my desktop. And I can talk through whatever is on my desktop. Maybe it's PowerPoint, maybe it's Microsoft Word, maybe it's some other program. And then when you stop recording, then it will appear right here in your videos, and you can see the videos that I've created. And then you can just share that link with your friends or with someone else or with your instructor. And that's a basic introduction to Loom. All right, thank you.